How to hide names from notifications on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to hide names from notifications, then you're in the right place. So first of all, what you have to do is open your settings app. Now scroll down until you see notifications option. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now after opening your notifications, scroll down until you see Snapchat. Now tap on Snapchat and now you can change the notifications however you want. Now if you don't want it to announce notifications, you can just toggle the announce notifications option. Now you can see options to like displaying notifications on lock screen, notification centers or banners. Now if you tap on notification center, it will turn it off and that means now your notifications won't appear on your lock screen. Now you can also change the preview options. Similarly, if you don't want notification all at once, then what you can do is just toggle off the allow notifications option. And that's it.